Day two in our Faceless challenge. Now, this is the good part. This is where we're going to create our videos, and I'll share with you a few different ways we can do this because it's probably my favorite part about this whole thing is the video creation. Now, the great thing about this software that we're using over here, this Syllabi, is everything we put into here is brand new. So what that means is this piece of software creates the images for us and the videos. It's all unique. Whereas other platforms like Pictory and InVideo and many more, when you're creating a video in there, they will not create unique images and videos for you. Instead, they will use free websites like Pexels and Pixabay and Upsplash and a few others. And basically, whatever you put in the script, it will go over to those free stock websites. It will find images related to your keywords and it will bring that in. Whereas with Syllabi over here, the AI generates the images for you and the output is unbelievable. And as an even better bonus, it's incredibly simple, and you'll see that as we go through the video. So I will put a link to this down below for you. Click on the link, go over, sign up. You can try it out absolutely for free, okay? So this is how it looks on the inside. Now, there's loads of things you can do with this. Over on the left-hand side, you can connect your YouTube, your social media platforms. You can set up a publishing. You can set up a schedule in here using bulk scheduler. So you can connect it to your YouTube or your Facebook, and then you can schedule out your videos on there. There's loads more cool stuff, and there's videos walking you through it. But I'll give you the brief overview of this, the easy way, and the way I am doing it. So over on the left-hand side, this is the dashboard. And we click out, in fact, we'll go to the beginning. We'll go to the dashboard. This is how it looks on the dashboard, okay? What would you create today? And you can see if you scroll down here, look, there's example videos about the software and other bits, okay? But this is the process. We come up to faceless videos. I'm going to create a faceless video. Now, these along here are templates. Click on view all. There's loads of templates in here, and the output is awesome, as you're going to see. Now, we're doing this channel around what we're doing penguins, that's what we're doing it around. So we will use a few of these different templates. I'll show you the output. So this one over here, let's go with this one for the first one. I'm going to confirm that. So that is our template. So you can see the template's changed over here. If I then scroll down, I've got language. So I'll go with English. Then we've got subtitles. So this over here, what appears above the video. If I click on there, you can change it. There's a few different options in there. Or you can have no subtitles, like so. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to go with Dynamo. Then you've got voices, so click on there. Loads and loads of different voices, young, middle-aged, male, female, etc. And if you press on the play button, you'll get to hear how it sounds. So we'll go with Daniel for this video. And then we've got video length. How long do we want it? And we've also got the option of having the video vertical. Oh, sorry, horizontal or vertical like this, and your different time limits. Okay, so for this one we will create a very quick short, and I'll show you the process. Okay, but it's the same whether you're creating a short video or a long video. So I'm going to click on this one over here. We're nearly done. We're nearly done with this. Scroll down here, put in a video script. Now, in terms of the video script, you've got a few options. You can put in a custom one, which is whereby you just simply put it in there, and we'll do that in a second. You've got AI script assistant, where the software will help you write it. We've got URL to video, and we've also got audio to video. URL to video works really well with local businesses and other things like that, okay? So we'll come over into custom script. So whatever we put in here, this software will create unique images for us. So let's go over here to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask for, can you please give me a 30-second YouTube video script for facts about baby penguins. That'll do. Hit on enter. Guess what? It's going to give it to us. And then all it's a case of doing now is copying and pasting this from here over to Syllabi, okay? And it's this. Now, a quick point to note, whatever you type in into the script on Syllabi, it will read it out, okay? So we don't want, for example, where it says narrator, we don't want that. So all we're doing here is, I'm going to take this bit here, and copy that, and go back over here, and I'm going to paste that in there. Okay? Scroll down, this one over here, copy, come over here, paste, go down, And this is it. I'll pause it once I've done this and I'll be back. Okay, so that is it all done. And that's the video done. So the next part is you just simply click on generate video over here. And then what happens, and this is a really cool little thing as well. Once you've hit on that, it will say, look, choose your next video, choose your next topic video, basically. So if I scroll down here, it's now giving me more ideas for the next video related to the video we've just done. So you can click on one of these and it'll take you straight through to it. What I tend to do is I just copy this like so, and I copy all of those, and then I just have a working document of this. So whenever I am working away like so, I'd simply paste that into here, and then I've got videos I can be working on next. Ideal. So let me go back over here. I'm sorry, we're on the wrong one. Let's come back over here. But if you don't want any of those, you can just simply go back to the home page like so. And look at that, the video's already done. The other thing I forgot to mention to you a second ago as well is, if I come back over here and click on Faceless Video, scroll down here, you see where it says Advanced Options. You can include music and other bits. So you see over here, I mean, I personally don't change any of this, but you absolutely can do. So you can change the color of the subtitles going over here. You can change the animation of this. There's even background music, so you can click on here and change background music. You can go through categories. You can even upload your own. And then you've got animation effects, sound effects, and other bits, okay? But let me show you the video that it's created, okay? So if I come back over here to my videos, and it should be here. Yeah, look, there it is. So if I now click on play, and I'll turn the...
Did you know that baby penguins are
pause that, and let me turn the sounder for you so you can hear it. Like so.
called chicks?
There you go.
And they're absolutely adorable. Chicks are born covered in soft, fluffy feathers, which help keep them warm until they grow their adult plumage. They can't swim right away. They first need to practice on land and develop their strength. And speaking of strength...
So you see, it looks absolutely brilliant. And obviously, all of these images have been created, and it's all done around the template that we created at the beginning. But let's go ahead and do another one. So that there was using the sort of Pixabay style element, wasn't it? So if I go back over here and go to create a faceless video, and instead of using that template, let's use a different one. Let's go with, this will be an interesting one. Let's go with, not that. Where's the one I like to use? Hyperrealism. Confirm that. And then I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to leave it all the same, less than a minute. I'm just going to click on advanced options. And the background music, I'm just going to put no music for now. And I'm going to come down here. And then I've got a script, okay? So again, same process. I would just go over to ChatGPT. And then I'd put, great, can you give me another one? Another one, please. And again, it will do the process. Look, here's a 30-second script about them. So I'll pause the video, I'll copy and paste this, and we'll put it in ultra hyperism, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so we are done with that. Move this over here, and I'm going to click on generate video. And again, same process as before. It will give me next topic ideas for our video. And let me just go back to my videos. And then that will go down here, and then it will start creating the video for you. So I'll pause it, and then we'll come back and have a look at it. Okay, so it's been a minute or two. It still says rendering, but if we refresh the page, it should be done by now. It normally is done, like I said, pretty quickly. So we'll give the page a refresh, and it should be done. And then I'll show you the video, and then I'll show you some other things you can do with this software, okay? And it doesn't matter, as I've mentioned, what category you're in, what niche you're in, what type of videos you need content for, because this thing is brilliant. So you can see the video is done, okay? So here's the thing. Under all of the videos, you've got a few options. You can edit the images that it's created for you. You can publish it, so you can publish directly from here over onto YouTube. You can copy the link, or you can download it. But let me go into the video and we'll have a look at it, see if I like it. So I'm going to click on play video, and then it will open up into a new tab, and then it'll just give us all the information about the video, and we can have a look at it, okay? And you can see you can also edit the images. Let me move my head. You can edit the images over here as well.
Meet the cutest little penguins, the chicks. They start their journey huddled in nests made of pebbles. Baby penguins are totally dependent on their parents for warmth and food when they're born. It's a tough, cold world out there. But don't worry, penguin mums and dads take turns feeding their
So
babies.
as you can see, the output of it is absolutely awesome, and it's incredibly rare that I need to go. Well, I think I've gone in and edited one in here as well in the whole time I've had this software. So if you do want to edit any images, you can just do it here, or you can press play and edit the images there. But that's it. And then once you're happy with it, you download the video. So look, that's today's video. That is the software that we are using with this. It's brilliant. I highly recommend it. I'll link it below. Any questions, let me know. But yeah, that is day 2. Have fun playing around with Syllabi and going through the different things. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3, where you don't want to miss this, because this is going to be the important stuff, where we're going to be optimizing our videos. I'll show you the upload process, the tags, the hashtags, the description, and loads more. I'll see you there.